Good morning everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have something very special inside this pink box. No, it's not costly. It's not some makeup from my mom or sister.
Bruh.
It's a Vivo T1x. One of my mom's best friends bought this from me and my sister. Thank you, Miss Jane, for this phone. And now for the overview of the phone. It's an Android 11 phone with 4 GB of RAM and 64 GB of ROM, which is the hard disk in this phone. It's only 8mm thick. It's not even half an inch in the US measurement system. If you're US, but this is Vietnam and we use the French measurements. Back to the problem. The Snapdragon 680 processor in this Vivo phone is very good, with 6nm transistors. The speed is amazing. Octa-core, 4 cores with 2.4 GHz and another 4 with just 1.9 GHz. But at least better than this laptop. It's just quite core, which means it has only 4 cores. Not that good. It's only 182 grams in weight. The screen, brilliant. 2804 pixels multiplied by 1080, which is full HD. It's ultra clear. Now shall we unbox this phone so we can see how it looks like. Just some Vietnamese sense of humor. Oh. Good. Not over yet. Oh, and by the way, this is both the power button and the fingerprint sensor. Look at this. Powered by Android. I hope the boot animation wouldn't last too long. Yes! Once again, thank you Miss Jane for this Vivo T1x, and see you again at part 2.